Okay, this morning we're going to attempt to start this LS motor in this 68 Chevy C-10. I've got all the wiring harness attached to the motor, and I've got the ECM fuse box all mounted. Some temporary wiring just to make sure that it's all hooked up right. I've got the air filtration system in there. I'm not exactly sure that I'm going to leave it this way. That's why I have some extra cable here, so when I get through I can shorten that up. I don't have the radiator filled yet. I've got the upper and lower hoses fitted for it. I'm waiting for the adapter that fits the two sizes together on the upper and lower. I've mounted a temporary mechanical oil pressure gauge here on the side of the motor just so we can see what the oil pressure is. So I'm going to climb in the cab and hot wire it, and let's see if this thing will start. That shuts it off. Let me get the battery cable hooked up here. Alright, let's see. Success! The wiring harness worked.